Bamungamba. 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 Nesuta.
Hello, Auntie. How are you? Thank you. Pennsylvania. I'm like 30 minutes closer to work. I don't go every day, but I do like that. It's good for now. For the time being. Thank you.
No Bulungi Bwansi Buvanjuba annual picnic.
Angela Lule. Okay. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Angela Lule.
Yes.
Musoke.
Yes.
Wedirachi.
I'm here. I made it. Doreen, jungle.
The folks are here. Hey.
Exactly. That's a big You know what? I'm gonna Oh, it does? I teleported
I know. I'm right.
We both fell into a simple trap.
Banyewo Never Sebo, I welcome you all to this BBB annual picnic event. I'm going to be reading a speech that would have been delivered by our chairman, Dr. Charles Katende, who has not been able to attend the picnic because of a loss in the family. And I would like you to listen to me very carefully so that you hear all the remarks he would have given. My name is Michael Magala, and I'm the secretary to the BBB East Coast. Thank you so much. Yeah. Chitiwa cha Uganda chavada Uganda Kujewe Uganda Wachakanya Agunde gunde bamungamba 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 Nesuta Kanya bamungamba bamungamba akabina kankakulemye Irina Jerengesa hey Mwana
ekisulo ky'okusanyuka kyasuzenza kisula emmanya kyoluka n'abeera ketalo ebyakakyokala okuno yakwagala nakuleeta n'embazadde n'amala akanjula kabeera ketalo kabaayizanyo nziremu amateera kwe ojja kumenya lekamu nabunjula
Nenadi gasini. Ikirizanzi. Enda mutonzi. Imbira mutonzi. Mpaka wala hapo. Ako. Ira mutonzi. Waliwo nono azina ka side dance. Yimbira mutonzi. Buli ayitako wano wuuba. Iyo mutonzi. Buli ayita wano wuuba wano mu kamera. Wuuba tukulabe. Muwonge wuuba. Jatuli. Iyo mutonzi. Abembogo baluwa. Hey! Mwali. Hey. Na mama kuleti. Na mama kuleti. Na mama kuleti. Na mama kuleti. Oh, thank you very much. No, put it in the bag. In the bag. Obango yo, obanga ina, obanga yo, obanga ina, obange yo. Owebei. Kuleti owebei. Nenda maguleti. Nenda maguleti. Maguleti jangoti setisemu wano. Obangaina, 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 Omano yo. Huh? Ati gwe maguleti. Senyonjo. Senyonjo ayenda maguleti. ayenda Margaret. Hey. 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 Yo, Gaina, Omando yo, Gaina, Omando yo, Gaina. Mumulu envubuka envumula togiddukako envubuka envumulo giddukako mwe temusobola kunkwata nze nkwata ebinyuma muwonge wezinire sana sitya lusi Ooh la la. So, we welcome you to the picnic and thank you for turning up in such big numbers. Happy and ready to enjoy. Mwebale kwetegekera kujja okudigida bannange. This is our first meeting or picnic since COVID-19 pandemic. We are grateful for having survived the pandemic, but our heartfelt condolences and sympathies to those affected, who are also those who have lost loved ones. My name is Michael Magala. I'm the secretary to the Bulungi Bwansi East Coast. I'm standing here on stage with our treasurer, Mr. Jesse Busulwa. And also we have Owekitiibwa Mwami Wycliffe Lule Musoke, Chikirya Ssaabasajja Kabaka wano. So BBB is a local chapter of BBNAC. BBNAC is the Buganda North American Convention. This is the umbrella group or umbrella association of the Buganda Associations in North America. It aims to celebrate, preserve, and promote, especially our younger generation. We have a lot of you here, young people. Many of you were born here, and you are first generation Americans. We welcome you all. It's especially our younger generation, and it helps us to preserve the Buganda culture. BBNAC hosts biannual conventions. The next convention will be held in Seattle, Washington, between May 26th and May 29th of 2023. All of you are welcome. The website for registration has been shared on many social media channels. I hope many of you have seen it. Please register early to take advantage of the lower rates for that convention, and reserve your boat ride. You have a boat ride that needs to be reserved so that you get a discount. And the boat spots are limited, because normally it takes about 400 people, and we expect about 700 people to register for the World Convention. You can't hear, sorry. So I'm requesting you to register early for the convention in Washington, Seattle. Okay. As the BBNAC chapter, BBB, our group that has organized this, celebrates and promotes the Buganda culture in the New York, New Jersey metropolitan area. Our aim is to socialize and support each other to improve our lives here, as well as being in a foreign land, and to support the kingdom, the king, in the restoration of Buganda glory. Buganda kuntiko, as we say in Uganda, Saba Saja Wangale. I hope many of you know what that means. Okay. Awangale. At this juncture, I think I've already recognized the Kabaka's representative, Manu Wycliffe Lule, Sebo, Damoba Wubireko. Ladies and gentlemen, hello, hello.
Yes.
So, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. Repeat. BBNAC hosts biannual conventions. The next convention will be held in Seattle, Washington, on May 26th through the 29th of 2023. All of you are welcome. Okay? And I talked about the website for registration that has already been shared on many social media channels. I hope you have seen it. Please register early to take advantage of the lower rates. Okay? Now, BBB has several plans and programs for bettering our social and cultural well-being. These include Valentine dinner. We have an annual Valentine dinner that we held annually. BBB jointly holds it with our friends Banyachigezi and Abasoga Twegaiti. We hold the Valentine's dinner together. Let me send another alert. You don't want to miss this one in 2023, the first post-COVID-19. It will be a blast. We also have another program, life insurance. We plan to launch a life insurance particularly to address the problem of repatriating the remains of our fallen community members. We will be providing more information in the coming months about the life insurance program. BBNAC programs, also we participate in the BBNAC programs, including attending the conventions and supporting the kingdom development programs. In this regard, BBNAC has requested us to contribute to upgrade our mobile clinic. We gave a mobile clinic to the kingdom sometime back in 2018. The bus has got problems because Uganda's roads are not as good as the US roads. So the bus, we bought it from the United States. We took it to Uganda, it worked for a while, but it has very low suspension. So the roads are bad, it doesn't work very well when you go to the villages where we need a lot of help. So with the potholes, BBNAC has asked us to fundraise for US dollars 4,500 to help refurbishing the bus so that it gains enough clearance to work on the local roads. Please contribute generously. Our treasurer here, Mwami Jesse Busura, is going to go around asking you for some donations toward that goal of rehabilitating the bus so that we put it back on the road to help people in rural Uganda. Okay. The mobile bus has been very crucial in helping our people in remote areas to access health care. Lastly, regarding the BBNAC convention, we are nursing the idea to host the BBNAC convention in 2025. So, therefore, at this picnic, I would like to hear from you about this idea. What do you think? Come and talk to us. Would you like us to bid to host the next BBNAC meeting in 2025? If yes, would you participate in the preparations? I don't want to take long with this speech. This is a picnic for socializing, eating, and dancing. Okay? So we are going to dance. As I conclude, let me ask the DJ to be ready for the next tune. I also request the treasurer to collect funds and pledges for supporting the mobile van. The treasurer, please collect the money and keep the records. And for the pledges, share the details for sending the money online. And to ladies and gentlemen, please remember to register for BBNAC 23. Mwebale nnyo, asante sana. Mwanyala nabi. Mwebale munonga. Awadifo. Muchas gracias. Merci beaucoup. Now it works. That's great.
Akatogokajja.
Huyo muonga apanga Jesse. Hey. Ne wano nangide 14. Anti group ziri 9.
Nenga bibina mwata.
Kati ziwe zawe bina mwata. Is it?
I promise. After we do, it's not going to just for the sang
I'm taking a picture. You don't want a picture?
It's going on. Two guys.
Nalongo wange atandise okuzanyira mu mmere omulaba bwajayula wagikola atya kwawula ako katidde ako oy kabade kange egenda ko ate kakati ate nzani anakwata ebifaananyi tuteekawo lule kuva saa 11 amanyi munnange tyakooye I know nedda nze munnange ngenda bakuŋŋaanya abo abaana bonna ntandika babuulirira
naffe twabisanga ano ne tubikwata munnange osala kubo
nedda
making us sure.
You can connect with them.
Yeah. I think so. If they go up here, it'd be better.
So do you go like to the UNA convention?
Yeah, because young people get to meet and mingle. Yeah. My daughters went last year. Yeah. Huh. It goes, different places. This year it's in San Francisco. Yeah, you should go. You should see people go.
Things got worse around COVID.
Oh my God, poor you.
I remember talking to her.
How did you end up there?
It was for
That's a good story.
but it was good but I think around COVID people started going a little with BLM, all of that.
Omulaba bwamukanga gwe lwaki okanga muwonge lwaki omukanga alumba yo hey tubalina ku rekodi.
Go.